Hey YouTube, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you're a returning viewer. Today I'll be showcasing this 11x6 invisible fit glueless wig. Can't forget to mention the HD lace on this unit, like it is impeccable. Y'all see this? And don't get me started on how silky this hair is. Like, it is absolutely beautiful straight out the pack like this, y'all. It's truly 180% density because look at how full it is. And look at this parting space, y'all. 11x6. You can't beat having this amount of parting space either. You can do a side part, middle part, whatever. But I did do a bald cap. It's definitely not necessary. Like, you can literally skip this step. I did it just because I was in the mood to. Like, honestly, it's nostalgic for me. I haven't did a wig install in a minute, so yeah. But y'all see what this lace is looking like. It is pre-plucked to the T, y'all. Like, it was perfect. And then y'all see inside, this is the inside of the cap. It does have the fake scalp feature, so you don't have to worry about putting makeup inside of the lace for the parting or anything like that. Like, the parting space is just boom, like y'all seen in the beginning clip. But yeah, y'all see it has an adjustable band in the inside. It comes with the clips in the inside, of course, for it to fit your head nice and snug. And then we have this new feature here, y'all. It's a V-shaped adjustable ear tab that is supposed to help with the comfortability of your wigs. You know, sometimes you'll put on wigs and it just don't fit around your ear right, and it just hurts. Like, you have to constantly move it, or you got to tweak it and all that stuff for it to fit right. Yeah, you don't have to worry about that with this new feature called the lace fix. Okay, they really ate with this because some wigs really don't be comfortable, but unfortunately for me, the lace was too long, y'all. I genuinely could not place it over my ear, so I did have to cut it. I did have to cut the tracks in the back attached to the lace for it to fit comfortably for me. Yeah, y'all see the wig is glueless, but I am going ahead and use some Ebon Wonder lace spray to melt this wig down. I literally only did 2 layers, blow dried that until it was tacky, and now I'm just going to pull this wig down and get to meshing this lace into my skin. Y'all will see here in a second. I'm gonna take my hands and like press and press for the spray to really stick to my skin, which it works. So yeah, go ahead and try that. I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry that down just a little bit, and then I'm going to add the spray on top as well, just because I wanted it to really stick. Like, I wanted this wig to, I didn't want to take it off. Okay, I know it's glueless, it's meant for you to take it off at the end of the night, but girl, I want this wig to last me a good 3 days. It's the weekend, I got things to do. I'm not really trying to take this wig off and put it on and take it off and put it on. We gonna leave it on for a little bit, at least for the first install. So y'all see here, I just went ahead and put on a scarf to tie this lace up to melt it. It didn't come with a band, I'm assuming because it's a glueless wig, so they felt I didn't need a band, or maybe they forgot it. I don't know, but I didn't have no other band, so I went ahead and just used the silk scarf to melt this lace down for about 5-6 minutes. The lace is extremely HD. Like, this is not no fake HD transparent lace. This is true HD lace. Like, the way that it melts into your skin, even without doing these steps that I'm doing, these extra steps, the lace is so thin and the knots on this wig is so thin and it's perfectly bleached that it will look like it's glued down to your skin, even if it's not. Regardless if it's laid down or not, the lace is going to be like on my skin, if you get what I mean. Like, it's going to fit perfectly. It's going to fit really snug, and you're not going to be able to tell that the lace is not like adhered to my skin. We love a quick, easy wig, and it's so beginner friendly because you don't have to do any bleaching, any plucking, you don't even have to pluck the part, girl. The part is already parted. Okay, so yeah, and it came with the Lagos hairline, the popular Lagos, or I'm sorry y'all if I'm butchering that, but y'all see it got the little widow's peak going on, y'all. That came like that. I didn't have to do nothing to get that effect. I did pull out just a few hairs in the front from plucking, just so it can look a little bit more natural. But yeah, y'all see here, I'm taking some spray on top of this lace, some bedhead spray. Y'all know this trick. This get it melted for sure. Like, even without the Ebon Wonder lace spray, you could just use that for the lace to just boom, look like it's extremely melted into your skin just on top of the lace. But y'all see here, I'm just going ahead and straighten out this hair. I thought the wig was going to come curled, but it did not, so I just went ahead and straightened it out because it was a little like wavy from the packaging. So Yeah, that's what we're coming like. I am going to go in and part it section by section in the front just to get this wig to lay flat. If y'all noticed in the beginning, I don't have a braid down. I literally just did 2 pigtails, braided it up, and put the wig cap on. So I wanted to make sure that this wig was laying as flat as it could since my foundation wasn't the flattest. It was flat, girl. But this is definitely going to help the wig look like it's growing from my scalp. And yeah, so I'm taking some wax stick, taking that hot comb on 500 degrees, and y'all see like it already looks really good. Like you could do side part, boom, just like that. Like, and y'all see the lace after the second melt. Like that was insane. No baby hairs needed. Like just fa. So I'm gonna just do this until I get to the top, and I didn't film me doing the other side, but this is the completed look, you guys. I went ahead and added some layers to this, and look at the final result. Like the finished look is crazy. The hair is so silky smooth. I didn't use no bio silk, no nothing to get the hair to look like this. It's no frizz, nothing. It's just fire. Like, and then the part is so clean. No bleaching, no plucking. I highly recommend this unit for anybody who's a beginner or just loves the glueless wig that they can put on and take right off. With 11x6 construction in the ear tab, it is made to fit your head super snug and super comfy. It's lightweight and you don't have to worry about sore temples with this wig. You get all day comfortability with this wig. So definitely go ahead and make a purchase in the description box down below. You'll find all the information there. Thank you guys so much for watching.